Hi, I'm Jennifer, and I'm so excited today to be participating in the Crafting Through the Snow collaboration. The channels participating in the Crafting Through the Snow collaboration are the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Design with Emma, Sharon Schornagel, and me, Jennifer at Home. These channels will be linked down below, as well as other channels that may also join the collaboration. I am so excited to be part of this collaboration. I have some little wooden cutouts here that I bought at the Dollar Tree. There are 8 in each package, and they even have little strings to tie them. I'm going to make some little gift tags to put on some Christmas gift bags. I'm going to make these little wooden cutouts look like little gingerbread cookies. Let me show you just how I'm going to do it. I'm going to use some paints that I already had. I could have just gone to the store and bought some paint that's a gingerbread color, but I need to use these up anyway, so I'm just going to take these and mix them together. I bought these little trays in a little package at the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to add some light color paint and some paint that's a little bit darker. I'll just take my paintbrush and stir these together until I get a shade that looks like a gingerbread cookie. Now that I have the color I want, I'm just going to start painting my little cutouts. I want to do both sides because if I hang these on a gift bag or on the tree and they turn around, we want to make sure that both sides are nicely painted. Once I get this on, I'll lay this down to dry while I go ahead and paint some of my other little wooden cutouts. I really wish my Dollar Tree store would have had some gingerbread cutouts. That would have been just absolutely perfect for this craft project. However, the little snowflakes and the little trees will have to do. They'll still be so much fun to decorate. You could always use stain as well. You could put stain right on top of these little wooden cutouts, and that would be a really nice finish. When the ornaments are dry, just go ahead and turn them over and paint the other side. What's so nice about these Dollar Tree ornaments is the edge is already finished in a brown stain, so all I have to do is paint the front and the back. It's so nice that I don't have to do any of the edges. I put down a piece of wax paper to lay all of my little painted ornaments on. This way the wax paper will keep anything from sticking. Now that our little wooden Dollar Tree ornaments are all painted and dry, like little gingerbreads, I'm going to take my puffy craft paint and I'm going to start making designs that look like gingerbread cookies on these little ornaments. I'm going to just start following right along the design of the little snowflake. I'm going to start decorating our little Christmas tree as well. Just make some little designs that look like they would be on a gingerbread cookie. Here are our wonderful little Christmas ornaments. They turned out just simply adorable. I'm so happy with them, and once they dry, I'll be able to put the strings on and tie them on the tree or on gift packages. I had so much fun participating in this collaboration. It was just so much fun making these wonderful little gingerbread ornaments. I also want you to remember to check out the channels that are participating. They'll all be listed below. And be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.